Hello, it's Fast Charlie. I've got Pickaholic's Trilockathon 2018 lock here. And I tried to pick this previously, well, yesterday when I first received it, and I had all kinds of trouble tensioning, so I thought I'd take one of these hex wrenches, Allen wrenches, and make it into a custom-made tensioner for it. And I think it turned out okay. I got a whole bag of these things for $1 at the ReStore not long ago, and I just took my calipers and measured the minimum distance between the warding and the right side of the keyway, and filed it down, and it fits pretty well. Anyway, yeah, fits pretty well. So I think I'm gonna be able to get this thing open. We will see. But anyway, it's a Wilka. I have never encountered a Wilka lock, as far as I know. You do have to push on the face of the plug to get the key out, because he put an easier to remove tensioner clip in there, and there must be just a little bit of play, but I'm going to try to get in here. I think I'm going to try to go counterclockwise. There's a little tick on 5. There's 4. 3. Just a little bit of movement on 2. I don't think 1 needs much at all. Yeah, I almost overset 1. I did overset it for a second. I'm going to go to the back again. I'm not sure about 5 right now. There's 4. I'm going to go back to 5. There's 5. There's 4. Two. Oh wait, no, that was 3. Oh, I was off by 1. Okay. There's 4. And 5. Okay. Three, 2. Just dropped something in the back. I heard it and did not feel anything on my pick. There's 5 again. Okay, got a little bit more out of 5. And 4. Okay, it just loosened up. The whole lock loosened up a little bit. And it just tightened up. seems like I'm going back and forth a little bit between 5 and 3, and now it seems okay. This is 2. And I just lost the false set. There's 5. Okay. Let's try to get 1. Maybe not. Maybe 2. Three. Let's come back to 1. I think 1 might be set now. Oh, no, no, it's not set. Okay, I think we are just about open. Gonna go for 2. Not quite. One. 1 is giving me some trouble here. Maybe 3. I don't know. 1 needs to be picked. I'm having some trouble getting to it. There we go. Yep, it was 1. I almost went for 3. That would have been a mistake. Again, used this lovely pick that I received from Pickaholic. Just can't get over how well this feels in my hand. Well, that was a lot of fun. And that's I really, as I was picking it, that wasn't my first time picking it, but or trying to pick it. It is my first open, and but as I was picking it last night, picking at it with that 50 thousandths, I just kept thinking, I think if I had something tight, I could get it, and a tight tensioner, and well, I'm glad it worked out, because that was my first attempt with that particular tensioner. And here we go. I about did a bad thing, and everything had to be picked quite a bit. We have, it looks like, threading in everything except 1, and there may be countermilling in 1. That's really sharp threading. Cool. Nice spool in 1. Little tiny serrations on 2. Small serrations on 3. 1 small serration on 4 and 5. We've got, I'm not sure, it's a spool, but I'm not sure if that's reduced diameter or if that's a standard like quickset key pin. And I'm going to check, see if there is countermilling. Oh, no, I thought there was. It kind of looked like it. It might have just been the reflection or something. Alright, so threading in 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see what Pickaholic put up top here. Got, looks like a T-pin. Yep. Ooh, that's nice. And a long copper spring. Or brass, I'm not sure. And then another T-pin. A T-pin spool in 2 with serration. That's really nice. Another one of these long springs. 3, we've got serrated. Looks like another one of these long springs. We'll go for 5. Very serrated. Oop. Try to get away from me. Same spring. I really like those springs. Oh. Okay. I have no question that it goes this way. And a spool in 4. And I'm sure there's nothing done here. That would be pretty wild. Oh, wait. No, I think that's just from the manufacturing process. It's just a little mark, but it might just be from the machining. Make sure. Yeah. Yep. As far as I can tell, doesn't look like anything was done here. Although it is filed a little bit. Yeah. I think it's standard, but it's really hard to tell. Alright, so we've got, for the pins, we've got this really nice spool, long spool, in 1. And then this T-pin above it that's has a little like lip serrated in 2, and this really cool T-pin spool with a serration on the spool, and this long key pin, and a spool above it. That they both have serrations, deep serrations in the driver, 1 serration in 4, and this nice spool above it. Then again, there's a spool. It's a spool with a little bit of a reduced diameter at the top, and a very deeply serrated above it. Well, that was a very fun lock. I'm going to check these out, see how they look at rest here. So know what I had to do to get it picked, what I had to encounter. Okay, so we've got this little T-pin right there. this T-pin spool probably goes down really far. Goes down pretty far, yeah. This spool here in 4, that goes all the way down until it gets wide again. So it'll pick at first like a standard, and then it'll pop up and hit that spool. Hit that narrow part of the spool. Well, that's awesome. I really like that. That was a lot of fun, and it was also a fun little project where I made this guy for this lock specifically. So thank you, Pickaholic, for making this lock, and thank you for sending it and everything else to me. Everybody be good and be well, and man, I love that pick.